Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then install your new defaults. I will go with SMS app. When your app is ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Then click on Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I wish to change my messages one, so I will go with SMS app, choose SMS Messenger over here, and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!